prove the following trigonometrical identity. Now the question is tan square x minus sin square x is equal to tan square x sin square x. Left hand side, tan square x minus sin square x. Now this we can write it sin square x upon cos square x minus sin square x. Tan square x is equal to sin square x upon cos square x. Now taking LCM, sin square x minus sin square x cos square x upon cos square x. Further, taking sin square x common, 1 minus cos square x upon cos square x. Sin square x times sin square x upon cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x using Pythagorean identity. Now this again becomes now tan square x sin square x is equal to right hand side. Hence proved.